Shomodit sir. Today I am here to deliver my lecture on topic human digestive system. Today I'll give you the whole structure or whole idea about human digestive system, and in the next lecture I'll proceed with the details of human digestive system, how the digestion of food takes place, both in like in carbohydrate, protein and fat. But today we'll see just only the human digestive system outline. So let's start. So here in this slide of human digestive system, see I have given outline of human digestive system. So see in the next slide we'll see about the process of nutrition in human beings. So we all know that in human beings the process of nutrition takes place by 5 different steps serially. First is ingestion, then is digestion, then absorption, then assimilation and egestion. These 5 names you have already heard in the nutrition in amoeba in my last lecture. Ingestion means, I just want to give a brief history. Ingestion means the process of taking in of food. Digestion means the food will be digested. Absorption means the food that is digested will be absorbed, and assimilation means it will be transferred from the blood to all parts of the body, and egestion is the excretory waste products that will be removed from the body. So here in the right hand side you see I have given the diagram. See, mouth is given, tongue is given, esophagus is given, liver is there, gallbladder is there, small intestine are there, salivary gland is there, pharynx is there, stomach is there, spleen is there, pancreas is there. Clear? So all the functions will come one by one. We'll take each structure one by one. So you see, in human digestive system, the internal view I have given on the left hand side, and the right hand side I have given both internal and external view. See, the first is salivary gland, followed by tongue, then comes epiglottis is given, then esophagus, then the food is passing through the stomach. Clear? Then we can see left hand side we have a liver, then gallbladder is there. This stomach is finally connected with the small intestine. So small intestine have 3 parts as we all know: duodenum, jejunum and ileum. And then followed by the large intestine we have cecum, then colon. Colon are of 3 types. Clear? Ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon. Then we have rectum and anus. So these structures we'll learn in detail. Everything today in this lecture will study about the detailed structure of human digestive system. When we'll know the structure of human digestive system, then in the next class we'll proceed with the process of digestion in human, that means carbohydrate, protein and fat foods, how they are broken down. Then we can go easily. Next you see the outline flowchart of human digestive system I have given here. See, first is mouth, followed by oral cavity. Clear? Then is pharynx. Pharynx are of 3 types: nasopharynx, oropharynx and laryngopharynx. Next we have esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine and large intestine. See, small intestine have 3 parts: duodenum, jejunum and ileum, and large intestine have four parts: cecum, colon, rectum and anus. And in the duodenum part, that is the first part of the small intestine, the fluids, that means the material that are secreted, clear, from liver, gallbladder and pancreas will be connected in the duodenum, that is a part of small intestine. Next we see what are the different digestive glands that are associated with this human digestive system. See, I have given salivary gland is there, pancreas is there, liver is there, gallbladder is there, gastric glands are there, intestinal glands are there. See, right hand side the picture is given of liver, esophagus, all the figures are given here. Here I have given the entire view of alimentary canal and digestive glands. Clear? These we have already seen. Next will come one by one. First is mouth. See, left hand side I have given the diagram. What is mouth? In the mouth, the mechanical digestion and chemical digestion takes place. Clear? For mechanical digestion we have teeth that helps in grinding the food. Then chemical digestion takes place by presence of saliva in it. Clear? Saliva produces three glands. Clear? Saliva is produced, three glands is formed of three glands. One is, that means saliva is a mixture of water, mucus and salivary enzyme. Clear? And these are then followed, and the food is then passed by esophagus. Clear? So I have given the two spellings of esophagus, both are correct. Now what is esophagus? See, esophagus can be written as, both the terminologies are correct, you can accept any one. See, left hand side I have given the diagram of esophagus. Clear? Where is esophagus located and what is the length? See, it is a muscular tube of 25 centimeter long, and 4 to 10 seconds is required, clear, to pass the food through it. And in this esophagus, no digestion takes place. It is a smooth muscle which moves the food by squeezing. Here, understood? Here peristaltic movement takes place. See, right hand side bottom, I have given the structure of esophagus whole. Next is the stomach. See, stomach I have given. It is a muscular bag. What is the stomach? It is a muscular bag. As food enters, it expands and folds, smooths out. Clear? Then mechanical and chemical digestion takes place. Next, changes in a thin watery liquid called chyme, which goes to the small intestine. So here the food is called chyme. Clear? Next we have a small intestine. See, small intestine. In the small intestine, we know small intestine of three types. First is duodenum, then jejunum, then ileum. So it is a 4 to 7 meter in length. Clear? And it enters through the duodenum, where almost all digestion takes place. See, liver produces bile to help the breakdown of food. Then pancreas produces enzyme to break down fats and protein. So I have given the outline of small intestine. See here. Next is villi. What is villi? Villi are what? They are present in small intestine. They are small finger-like projections. Clear? The small finger-like projections that are present in small intestine are called villi, and it helps in absorption of food, and it increases the surface area of small intestine. Next we have pancreas. See, pancreas, we know pancreas have both endocrine and exocrine function. Here we'll see about only the exocrine function. See, pancreas makes digestive juices called enzymes, which helps the food to digest further. Clear? Food does not go through the pancreas. Understood? The pancreatic juices are transferred from pancreas to duodenum. Food is not moving to the pancreas. Clear? It produces chemicals which break down the food particles. It also secretes insulin, that is a endocrine function. Clear? What is the function of insulin? It decreases the blood sugar level. Next we have gallbladder, right hand side. See, green color in the figure is gallbladder. What is a gallbladder? A small bag like part under the liver. It stores a fluid called bile, which is made in the liver. Clear? Liver produces bile, and it is where stored? It is stored in the gallbladder. Next, as the food from the meal enters into the small intestine from the stomach, clear, biles from the gallbladder along with the bile duct to the intestine. So bile that are deposited, that means biles that are produced from the liver, they are deposited in the gallbladder. They are from gallbladder, they are entering into the small intestine. Which part of small intestine? That is the duodenum part. Clear? It helps to digest fatty acid and also contain waste for removal. See, liver again. Blood from the intestine enters to the liver carrying nutrients, vitamins, minerals and other products for digestion. Again, the same function I have given here. It produces bile and helps in digestion of fat. See, the liver is a food processing factory with more than 200 different jobs it is performing. It stores some nutrients, changes them from one form to another and releases them into the blood according to the activities they need into the body. Clear? Right hand side you see the figure is given of a liver. Next, small intestine. Most of the function are performed by the small intestine. Large intestine have only small function, that is absorption of liquid. Clear? The main function of large intestine is to absorb liquid from the chyme. Clear? Undigested material becomes more solid. That means absorption of water or fluid is taking part in the large intestine. And in large intestine, no digestion takes place. Now, what is the role of bacteria? There are many bacteria that are present in small intestine. Clear. It feeds on cellulose and also it produces many vitamins that we need. So students, this is your homework questions.